why, but I completely blanked that for my Lolita video today, I'd have to put on Lolita and planned absolutely nothing. So when I got out of the shower today, I was like, and had to like scramble to put something together. Who does that? Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Justy. Today we have a new addition to the What Stupid Thing Did Justine Buy Now collection, our very first one of 2022, and I'm pretty stoked about it. I hope you guys are. Also, the last time I said that, which was, I think, it was the Stephen Bucky like sweater unboxing video, somebody commented and said they'd love that on a shirt, which like, also me too, and I think that's going to be one day if I ever make merch. That's gonna be my only merch. What stupid thing did I buy now? I lied. Also, this very extreme close-up of my face with or without the good for you text that Anya already has on a shirt. So that'll be it. My 2 pieces of merch. I'm very bad at business. But we didn't come today to talk about my business skills. We came to open a package. So let's do that. I'm pretty stoked about this one, honestly. It's a little bit open because I had to know what was in there. They only put on the front that it was a cosplay prop. That was the description, and I'll tell you, I have not recently ordered any cosplay props, so I was a little confused. So I peeked in it to check what it was, but I have not actually like opened it or had a proper look. We're doing that today. We see pink, we see red, we see polka dots. I hope we're excited. Oh my god. So, you might be wondering, Justine, what are these giant bows that you have ordered in 2 colors? Well, let me show you. These are from the brand Bogita, which I have ordered from before. I am actually a fan of like every product I've ordered from them, so I'm hoping it will include these. Oh my god, I'm screeching. So these are bags. I can't believe this. Yes, they are giant bow bags that you attach with this, like, you can see this like fake ruffly strap. So you could probably you could choose, but they can hang quite low, so they look like big butt bows. And we know I love a big butt bow. I love the idea of these, I'm gonna be honest with you, but I wasn't gonna buy them at first because they are a little silly, but then I saw like a group of people that they took photos of for the promotions at Disney, and I was like, oh no, I could use these at Disney. And I was sold. Now, the question is, where is the bag part? How do I get into the bag? I got the like medium size. There's one smaller and one bigger. I was hoping this one wouldn't give me as many back problems as the bigger one because they're not supposed to be that low, but whatever. Oh, okay, here it is. So the bag is in this front bow. How do I open it? Ah, okay. So it's like, you open it in 2 sections. If I can get the other zipper out of the middle of the bag. We open it in 2 sections, and then you can put your hand in the top of the bow on this side. You can put your hand in the top of the bow on this side, and you've got your bag. I'm gonna take my rings off for a second because they're getting caught and I can't really like explore properly in this bag. I'm gonna tell you already, the space is not huge. But I feel like if we expect anything from weird like novelty Lolita bags at this point, that's on us. Okay, so it goes down to about here, my hand, on both sides. Like, that's not the worst. And if you have the giant size, I assume there'd be more space in there because they're bigger. The back part is not part of the bag, so you can't open that for extra space. Let's grab some stuff and see what I can shove in here. Okay, I've got some stuff that one might want to bring to a meetup or just out and about, or like to Disney, because that was also my selling feature. So this side is bigger. Let's see if my wallet can get in, which I need a new one. It is slowly falling apart. I've had it for years, but okay. So it can. You cannot zip it closed, but it like it's technically in there. And if it was hanging up, you know, it'd be fine. But I would definitely, anyways, for Disney, it just period switch to a smaller wallet. But if your wallet is one of this like regular tall size, you're not going to be able to close your bag. And like, it'll be harder to put other stuff in there with it. My phone very easily goes on that side. Let's put a lipstick. Ooh. You'd want to probably bring a hairbrush. Okay, yeah. See, we haven't even made it to the other side. Hand sanitizer, very important. Okay. I don't know. Chocolate bar, why not? Oh, a reusable bag because we don't give out plastic anymore. Okay. Ew. I would say this side is definitely getting a little bit full at this point. Can I even get my fake bag in here? Yes, okay. It's all in there, and I can close it. So that's one side. Let's see what I can fit in the other one. What is on my desk? We're not gonna be testing things that like you necessarily would bring with you. It's just what I've got left on this desk. Some soury candy mint things. Sure, yeah, we wanna bring that. Yeah, this side is definitely a smaller pocket. I wonder if that's the same with the red. We'll test it in a bit. Tampons. You never know who might bleed. A chapstick and some nail glue in case you got press-on nails and they come off. Okay, this side's already getting a little bit full. Also, you're really gonna have to dig through this to like get your stuff at the bottom. Make sure you organize stuff before you put it in here. Don't just shove it in like I am. Yeah. So, I mean, you can put a few of your, like maybe put your lipstick on this side, your phone and your little mini wallet on this side, and it still looks like a bow. Oh my God, okay, I'm gonna take all this stuff out before I forget. And it lives in there for months, and I'm never able to find the stuff because I shoved it into this one random bag I've never actually even used. That's the pink. We'll try out the straps, but let's see if the red is like similar in size, especially with the pockets. Huh? The red feels a bit bigger than the other one. Is it just floofed out differently? I guess they're technically pretty much the same size. I think it's just floofed differently. Let's take a look. I would assume they're designed the same way, but who knows? Okay. Yeah, that is quite a still deep pocket, same as the pink. And then let's try this side, which once again, the zipper is all the way on the inside and impossible to zip. Oh my God. Okay. And then, oh, actually this side actually has a huge pocket too. Have I just not shoved this one down enough yet? Or is it maybe just they sewed it up not as well as the other one? Could be. No, this one is just smaller. Weird. Is it like stuck? I think maybe this one just got sewn up a little bit differently. That's fine. It's not a big deal, but technically you should have gotten two big pockets on each side. So all the stuff I fit on this side, you should be able to get in that one. I'm not mad at it. It happens. And honestly, there's still like probably more space than some of my other Lolita bags. Some of my Lolita bags don't even fit my phone. So I'd say we're ahead of the curve. So just some other detail information before we put on these straps. It is puffy, obviously stuffed with some material in there. And it's like a, you hear that? It's like a canvasy type of material. You have got the Bogita logo in a gold heart right here, which I think is very cute. It is a, oh yeah, it's like a pin on the inside, so it's not coming out. Not that I want to take it out, but it doesn't come out. You've got their Bogita logo on the back with the size of the bag you got, and their tag right now, obviously, as I haven't taken it off. Everything is very well constructed that I have seen on both of these bags so far. I don't see like any loose flyaway threads. The stitching is pretty clean and even and really matches the color of the bags. The center part is constructed very sturdily. I don't think the bows are gonna like come out, and neither of these feel like they're gonna fall apart. Like they feel good quality, they're sturdy, they've got decent heft to them. I'm quite pleased with the like quality that I've gotten from these silly little bags. And because they're not that fake patent leather that a lot of Lolita bags use, which I'm not like dissing on, I know that's just like the standard, but these aren't gonna start peeling like those do. They do, I mean, because it's a fabric, could get dirty. But I wonder if these can go in the wash. I mean, there is washing instructions. Hold up. I'm gonna translate this. So it says it's allowed if it's in a laundry bag, and it says medium desk washing. So I'm assuming like on a lower medium level, don't like go crazy with it. You can use natural soaps, low temperature wash. And if you're gonna iron it, that also has to be quite low temperature. Okay, so it can go in the wash, so that's exciting. Let's open up these straps. Okay. Now, the straps are that fake patent leather, so they will have that peeling issue eventually one day. But these are incredibly like soft feeling, especially this. This is like a vinyl-ish material, it feels like, or a pleather that is very, like, it's got a soft side. I am enjoying touching this. All the hardware is gold on both bags, and it's quite sturdy. And again, these are very well constructed. Stitching is even and nice. There's nowhere that looks like it's going to fall apart. Like, these feel like they're gonna last for a decent amount of time, which is quite nice. And you do have 4 adjustable holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can count, adjustable holes so that you can have different sizes. Which way do we think these, I feel like this should be at the front, or maybe at the back so you don't see the adjustments. I don't know, does it matter? Let's clip it on this way. The clasp, these like hooks or clasps, I don't know, feel pretty sturdy as well. They don't feel like they're just gonna come off. Okay. No, I think for a backpack, I'm going to put the adjustable part at the front. Yeah, I like the way that looks with the thing in the front. Oh, yes, because this is all on the back. So this now means it's not against your back. If you put it the other way, this little thing will be right up against your back, and that will not be comfortable. So, no. We get there eventually, and that's what's important. Oh my God. Would you look at that? I'm crying. This is so cute. It feels quite short right now. I'm going to immediately make it longer, and nobody can stop me. Let's put it at its max length. Let's test that out. So that is it at its full length. Let me put it on and see where it lands. So obviously nothing about this look has been designed for this bag. It's like caught in the sleeves, and it doesn't match anything, but we're working with it. I'm gonna move my chair. Okay. So here's what they look like on the front, just cute white ruffles, very contrasty to the dress. And then here we go. Oh my God, do you see? Do you see? It hangs at just the perfect spot. I gotta be honest with you. I thought it was gonna be lower, but this is great. It is so cute. It certainly doesn't hurt my shoulders right now. I don't know what it would be like for like extended periods of time with a lot of stuff in here, but I frequently wear backpacks anyway that have a lot of stuff in them, so I don't see it being too much of an issue for me personally. It depends on your tolerance and what you're used to carrying, and I suppose what you're putting in the bag. I wouldn't put like weights in here, but I mean, that's up to you. I'm gonna stay down here so that we can put the pink on and I can try that. There's the pink, and let me get this on. So here's what it looks like if you put it on the other way, like I just did. You get the ruffles on the inside, which I don't particularly like, but maybe you like that look, and if you do, I support you, but now you've seen what both ways look like. Let's look at the pink. Oh, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna use this with every pink dress I've ever owned. Well, it is safe to say that I love these bags. I kind of wish I'd gotten every single color, but you know, you live and you learn. It was definitely worth the pre-order. It was worth the long wait. They shipped really quickly though, which is nice. I was very impressed with that, especially with the continued pandemic. I never expect anything to come quickly right now. I will have to report back later on my Instagram if they do start to hurt your back after like a decent amount of wearing. Obviously, I can't say right now if that is or is not true, but I am loving the feeling right now. It's like obviously not sitting 100% great because this outfit was not designed for this, but they just kind of feel like nothing right now. The straps don't bother me. It's good. So overall, am I happy with this purchase? Yes, 100%. I am so satisfied right now. I cannot wait to actually use these either in Accord or at Disney. It's gonna change my life. I would definitely recommend them. If you're also into weird bags like this and big butt bows, I think you're gonna be very happy. I will definitely be working these into some sort of cord, so make sure to check out my Lolita Instagram for all those cute pictures. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed our first unboxing of 2022. I think it was a raging success. Hopefully I see you all in the next video now. Bye!